Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to remove a payment method on PrizePicks. Let's get started. As you can see, I'm on the official PrizePicks website, and I'll leave a link to this article in the description below. Scroll down to the last question. How do I remove or replace payment methods associated with my PrizePicks account? You cannot remove payment methods until you have been a PrizePicks member for at least 60 days. After this period, you can remove a payment method yourself using the app. Log into your account and tap the Deposit button in the top right corner. This will take you to the Deposits page. On the Deposits page, you should see a trash can icon. Click on this icon to remove a payment method. If the trash can icon isn't there, it means you still need to wait for your 60-day waiting period to end. Remember, you can only request to remove a payment method once per calendar month and no more than 5 times within any 12-month span. Be careful about which payment methods you add to your account because there are limits. That's everything you need to know about removing a payment method on PrizePicks. Just go to the Deposits page and click the trash can icon to remove the payment method. That's how you can do it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching.